You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words that look fairly similar. They have, of course, a different pronunciation and different meanings. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Top word in British English, the pronunciation is as fork. Fork. Bottom word, pork. In American English, fork. Pork. Can you hear the difference? Fork, British English. Fork, American English. The R is not pronounced in British English. Fork. Pork, fork, fork, pork. How to pronounce. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.